Oh, I can't open it. Hold on.
I got it.
Help.
What's in there? What is it?
That car.
Say thank you, Uncle Scott.
Thank you, Uncle Sam.
Uncle Scott.
Uncle
Scott.
Another egg.
It's so funny.
Another egg in there.
Let's see. I'll help you.
Another egg in there.
What's
And
that?
this.
Say thank you, Uncle Scott.
Thank you, Uncle Scott.
We can't hear you. Say it louder.
Thank you, Uncle Scott.
Right here, Gus, to the camera.
Thank you, Uncle Scott. Another egg. That egg here.
Wow, what an Easter, huh?
It's an egg here. It's an egg here. Another egg here.
There's so many eggs in there. Oh, I dropped the car. Sorry. Go get it. I'll hold this one for you. There you go.
That car, pickup truck.
Mm-hmm.
Pickup truck. Car.
Wow.
Two little cars.
Funny cars. All right, wave to Uncle Scott and say thank you.
Thank you.
You blow kiss? No, with your hand.
Say I love you, Uncle Scott.
I love you, Uncle.